Welcome to another day in sunny Bolivia. Today we will be crossing a river. The river is located on the map on the left side of Santa Cruz and it's called El Pirai. And Santa Cruz is connected to the other side of the river by two bridges. However, as you will drive further southwards, there are no more bridges. And even though the small villages like Guardia and Porungo are very nearby, you will have to cross the river by car if you want to get there quickly. And that's what we will be doing today. We are currently driving in La Guardia to the place where it's most recommendable to cross the river because you cannot do this just on any place because there is a risk of getting stuck. It's also recommendable to do it on a sunny day, of course, not after heavy rain. So we arrived at the Pirai. As you can see, there are many people just enjoying the river, as we will also be doing. But first, let us cross the river with the car to get the car to the other side of the river. I will film it for you and then also shoot some nice images of the Pirai. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and see you next time.